Thank you. Victor, now come and speak first, then you'll greet everyone else later. As Victor is coming, I want the media to say this, that the IG thinks that all these bodies lying here are false, that all these families are hired, that all of us here are mourning falsely. Shame on him. Shame on him.
Yes. Thank you very much, our leaders, Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, for reaching us. Abro wacho weche adek kende. Mokuongo, abro kone family mar jowa manowewa mos to jiuma na junyo. Mane kaka penye. Mar ariyo, an ogoya bunde kacha. E junction kacha ne nokalo through lweta to donjo gi e chest ke. Koro daktari nowacho ne wadhi e check up machiegni, to daktari wacho no ok onyal timo operation kech en kama delicate, anyalo tho. Yeah. Okay. So I was shot by the police just right at the junction, and the bullet passed through my arm, entered through the chest, and it clogged there. So recently we went for clinic in Russia. I stayed in a hospital for 2 weeks. We went there and the doctor said they can't do the operation, that I just learn to survive with the bullet. Because if they try to do the operation, maybe I can pass on. So I have it. Ankore. Kuru. Mane situation. Kuru. It's something that has happened. We have to continue with that. But thank you so much for reaching it. And
just so you know, Victor Oreme from West Uyoma